English Hindi future have. I will have.
मेरे पास होगा.
Welcome. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and goodies. Today we'll laugh our way into the English Hindi future of to have, the super useful KPAAS hoga pattern. Warm up your ears and get ready to speak out loud with me. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently say every future have form. Let's lock in the map first. I will have.
मेरे पास होगा.
You will have, singular, informal.
तुम्हारे पास होगा.
He will have.
उसके पास होगा.
She will have.
उसके पास होगा.
It will have.
इसके पास होगा.
We will have.
हमारे पास होगा.
You will have, plural, informal.
तुम लोगों के पास होगा.
They will have.
उनके पास होगा.
Pronunciation groove. Chant with me. Rhythm helps memory. Keep your shoulders loose and smile. I will have.
मेरे पास होगा.
Clap. You will have.
तुम्हारे पास होगा.
Nod. He will have.
उसके पास होगा.
Point right. She will have.
उसके पास होगा.
Point left. It will have.
इसके पास होगा.
Tap the desk. We will have.
हमारे पास होगा.
Hands to chest. You, plural, will have.
तुम लोगों के पास होगा.
Sweep to the group. They will have.
उनके पास होगा.
Thumbs up. Mini dialogue. Let's make it funny and memorable, short lines you can copy instantly. A. Are you worried about the ticket? B. No. By evening, I will have it.
मेरे पास होगा.
A. And your friend? B. Relax, he will have the phone.
उसके पास होगा.
A. What about the device update? B. After the patch, it will have a new feature.
इसके पास होगा.
A. Team party plan? B. Tomorrow, we will have snacks.
हमारे पास होगा.
And you all will have the tickets.
तुम लोगों के पास होगा.
A. Sounds like by next week they will have everything. B. Exactly.
उनके पास होगा.
All the gear. A. And the star of the show? B. She will have the mic on time.
उसके पास होगा.
Drills. Your turn. You speak, I cheer. Say the English, then the Hindi out loud. Say, I will have time. Then.
मेरे पास होगा.
Time equals.
समय.
Closing parenthesis dot. Say, you will have a chance, singular. Then.
तुम्हारे पास होगा.
A chance equals.
एक मौका.
Closing parenthesis dot. Say, he will have the phone. Then.
उसके पास होगा.
Phone. Say, she will have the report. Then.
उसके पास होगा.
Report. Say, it will have power. Then.
इसके पास होगा.
Power. Say, we will have tickets. Then.
हमारे पास होगा.
Tickets. Say, you, plural, will have the keys. Then.
तुम लोगों के पास होगा.
Keys. Say, they will have a house. Then.
उनके पास होगा.
A house. Culture tip. The secret sauce. Quick grammar truth bomb. Keep this in your pocket for instant wins. Hindi shows possession with KPAAS, plus, to be. Future equals, hoga. So, I will have, equals, it will be with me.
मेरे पास होगा.
Careful. I will have to, do, is obligation.
मुझे करना होगा.
Not.
मेरे पास होगा.
Negatives. I will not have equals.
मेरे पास नहीं होगा.
They will not have equals.
उनके पास नहीं होगा.
Bonus memory hook. Verb haben, vibes, but think with me, with you, in Hindi for clarity. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. If you grin while answering, extra points. 1. Which means, they will have. A.
वे होंगे,
B.
उनके पास होगा,
C.
उनके पास है,
Answer. B. 2. Translate. We will have. Answer.
हमारे पास होगा,
3. Pick. You, plural, will have. A.
तुम्हारे पास होगा,
B.
तुम लोगों के पास होगा,
C.
आपके पास था,
Answer. B. 4. True or false. She will have. Is.
उसके पास होगा,
Answer. True. 30-second challenge. Ready? Fire off each English cue with the Hindi form, fast and fearless. I will have.
मेरे पास होगा,
You will have. Singular.
तुम्हारे पास होगा,
He will have.
उसके पास होगा,
She will have.
उसके पास होगा,
It will have.
इसके पास होगा,
We will have.
हमारे पास होगा,
You will have. Plural.
तुम लोगों के पास होगा,
They will have.
उनके पास होगा,
Wrap up. You crushed it. Here's your friendly send-off. Thanks for listening, brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these lines today so that tomorrow,
आपके पास होगा,
even more confidence. For more lessons, exercises, and laughs, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.